Yours. Don't give them. How can they take it? Show them. Give them. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do something a bit different and I have a new guest which I want to show y'all. Okay guys, so Gloria, say hey. So that is your intro. Eh? Oh, your mom.
You are the one going to do this, okay.
Yeah, we're going to cornrow her hair. As you can see, she has tied it in a bun. So after we're done cornrowing it, then we're going to put the wig on it. Then we're going to try and cut it into a bob on her face so that it fits her. So you guys, stay tuned. This is the wig, y'all. This is the wig. See the down. It has been dyed, but she says she's cutting it. And nobody understands why. So stay tuned. Bye.
Beats on the track.
So as you can see, we're done braiding the hair. We haven't even started putting the wig on, but just look at how neat the cornrows are. Courtesy of Equia. So
let's wear the wig.
We're about to wear the wig, guys. Hopefully it works for my sister. Sister, hold the wig. Alright, let me see how it looks on you. Okay guys, so this is the getaway of straightening your hair. The temperature is on 200 degrees, so it's just enough, it's just hot enough to make sure that everything is straightened. And we've used I think about 3 clips to hold the top part of the hair, so that's what we're doing right now. Make sure it doesn't melt. It's hot.
It won't melt, it's human hair. It can only burn.
Make sure it doesn't burn. Guys, we're halfway there.
This is what they do.
Look at it.
Please, this unit is going for 300 Ghana. I don't trust any hairstylist.
Your own wig so that you don't have to spend so much for like bone straight hair. Just look at this. And we did it ourselves with this iron. This one or this one.
In case you want to know where we got the iron from Medina.
Yes. And we bargained for it too.
Cheesy Biasa, 1998 vibes. Big by money, okay, no soft work. I know the pussy inside the hustle. I know the live, I go the hustle. I done the right, so now go buy the cars, so now go get the bus to come bust you. I know they leave the chance, I got to use the chance, I got to get the chance to come chance you. I go there give you, yeah, I go there give you, yeah, I go there give you plenty. Like me, you give you dirty. Me no go never kiss and tell you. This every feet, pelu.